Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects anyone who uses the internet: malware. You've heard the term before, but do you know what types of malware are out there and how they can impact you? In this video, we'll break down the different types of malware, what they do, and how to protect yourself. So what exactly is malware? Malware is any type of software designed to damage or gain unauthorized access to your devices. There are many types, each with different behaviors and dangers. Let's start with the most well-known type: viruses. Just like a biological virus, these malware programs spread by attaching themselves to files on your device. When you open that infected file, the virus is activated. It can corrupt your files, slow down your system, or even crash your computer. Host viruses are often spread through email attachments, file downloads, and unpatched software. To protect yourself, always run antivirus software and don't open files from unknown sources. Next up, we have worms. Unlike viruses, worms don't need a host file to spread. They can replicate themselves and move across networks, infecting multiple devices without any user interaction. Host: these can wreak havoc on large networks, slowing them down or even causing servers to crash. Worms are often used to deliver other types of malware like ransomware. Now, let's talk about trojans, also known as Trojan horses. Just like the ancient Greek story, a Trojan disguises itself as something harmless, like a legitimate app or file. But once you download or install it, the real danger starts. Trojan malware can give hackers remote access to your device, steal sensitive data, or install additional malware. The best way to avoid Trojans is to only download software from trusted sources. One of the scariest types of malware is ransomware. This malware locks you out of your own system or encrypts your files, demanding a ransom to restore access. Ransomware attacks have skyrocketed in recent years, targeting everyone from individuals to large corporations. To protect yourself, always back up your data regularly and be wary of suspicious emails and websites. Spyware is exactly what it sounds like. It spies on you. Once installed, it can track your internet activity, steal passwords, and even capture screenshots of sensitive information like banking details. It's often bundled with legitimate software or hidden in downloads from untrustworthy websites. Use anti-spyware tools and avoid downloading files from unknown sources to stay safe. Ever had your screen flooded with annoying pop-up ads? That's adware. While not as dangerous as ransomware or spyware, adware can be incredibly annoying and slow down your device. Host: adware tracks your browsing habits to display targeted ads, and it can also expose you to other forms of malware. To avoid adware, use ad blockers and stay away from sketchy websites. Rootkits are one of the most dangerous types of malware because they allow hackers to gain deep control over your system, hiding their activities from antivirus programs. Host: media, disabled antivirus software interface, system alerts showing security software disabled. Rootkits can disable security software and open backdoors for other malware. Protect yourself by keeping your operating system and software up to date and scanning your system regularly with advanced antivirus software. Lastly, we have botnets. A botnet is a network of infected computers, all controlled by a hacker. These infected computers, called bots, are often used to launch distributed denial-of-service (DDoS) attacks or send spam emails. Often, you won't even know your device is part of a botnet. Keeping your system secure with strong firewalls and antivirus software is essential to prevent this. Let's quickly recap. We've talked about the most common types of malware: viruses, worms, trojans, ransomware, spyware, adware, rootkits, and botnets. Each one poses a unique threat, but with the right knowledge and tools, you can protect yourself. Here are 3 important tips to keep your devices safe from malware. 1. Always keep your software up to date. Security updates often patch vulnerabilities that malware can exploit. 2. Use strong, unique passwords for every account. Weak passwords can easily be cracked by hackers, so use a password manager to keep things secure. 3. Don't download files or click links from unknown sources. If something seems off, trust your instincts and avoid it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future cybersecurity tips. Drop a comment below if you've ever had to deal with malware, and let's keep the conversation going.